Idea number one around small business ideas in manufacturing is you making soap. Soap is used in every household out there. Soap is used in every office building out there. Soap is used in industries out there. You making soap, whether bar soap, liquid soap, or even disinfectants, is gonna assist you slide very smoothly into business, and then over time be able to scale up your business. By the way, making soap is not that complex, and even so, if you do your basic research, you're gonna realize the ingredients which you require to make soap are actually available in your hometown. And then the second business idea is the idea of you doing custom printing. Think about it, guys. Out here, a good number of people are looking for custom printing services. For example, printing of their own clothes, whether it is jerseys or even t-shirts. For example, printing of carrier bags. For example, printing of banners. You can start a small business around custom printing, and then you're gonna be able to make awesome amount of money. Of course, for this business, you need to invest some amount of money, maybe upwards of about 2,000 US dollars, for you to get the pressing printer and also a few accessories. And then the third business idea you can jump in this area is the idea of you making your original unique design jewelry. What do I mean? Maybe you have creative mind whereby you can make awesome shapes, awesome designs. Why not start making custom jewelry and then sell them into the market? By the way, you can make custom jewelry, for example, using precious metals out there as the ornaments, or even so using beads. You're gonna be surprised how much people out here value custom jewelry. For example, earrings, okay? For example, piercing pins. For example, bracelets. You name it. You can make custom jewelry and then be able to also be in this business and even so scale it up. And then the fourth business idea in this area is the idea of you doing homemade food products. Guys, food has money. You can look at, for example, making foods around the baking of different products out there, maybe cakes, maybe cookies, maybe bread, you name it, and then sell these to your local shops, to your local supermarkets, and be able to make money. Even so, under foods, you can even, for example, make your own unique sauce, make your own unique seasoning powders, and then be able to sell them at your local areas and be able to make money. If what you're making is awesome, it tastes good, be sure you can be able to grow your clients through referral. And then the fifth business idea in this area is the idea of you making candles. You can start small and then over time be able to scale it up. Start with, for example, making non-scented candles, go to even scented candles, and you're gonna be surprised as to how much a good number of people out there purchase candles regularly, more so scented candles. All you need to have is a simple shaper, have a wick, and then also the wax, and you're gonna be able to make candles easily at home. And then the sixth business idea is the idea of you doing organic farming. The demand for organic products out there is increasing and increasing day in, day out because of the understanding of health benefits of organic products. For example, organic vegetables, for example, organic fruits, you name it. In case you have a small area of land where you stay, guys, do small scale organic farming and then be able to sell these products to your local markets, or even so in case you have organic farm markets. And then The seventh business idea which you can look to jump into is the idea of you making organic cosmetics and body products. Maybe through your own self-care routine, you have gotten to a given mix of maybe a cosmetic product or even your own body product which is working for you. Why not use yourself as a pitch or a model to the market, showing that actually you're using this product and it's working good for you? You're gonna be surprised as to how many people out there are actually looking for organic cosmetics, for organic body products. You can start packaging them and then selling them to your local markets, or even so, you can start selling them to your friends, to your family members, and then you're gonna be surprised as to how you can be able to build a client base. And then the eighth product, which you can look to jump into and actually a very formidable business, is the business of woodwork or handmade crafts. In case you have passion for woodwork, you have a few accessories like, for example, a woodwork station, you can look to jump into this area and then be able to make money by you actually doing woodwork. You can start small, for example, making safe boxes. For example, you being able to even make simple things like cabinets, simple things like, for example, vases, simple things like, for example, vintage mirrors, and then be able to sell them and in the process make some money. And then the ninth business idea in this area is the idea of you doing fabric accessory tailoring. Maybe you have a talent of using fabric to make shapes, to make handmade things out there, like, for example, hairbands, like, for example, you making handheld bags or carrier bags. Why not start making handmade fabric using your own unique tailoring and even so combine it with your own designs? And then the 10th and last awesome idea in this category is the idea of you making custom phone cases, phone covers which have custom designs, simple designs, and then sell them to the market. Guys, those are the 10 small business ideas you can jump into manufacturing and hopefully over time be able to scale them up. Thanks for watching. Look forward to share with you other awesome videos. Bye bye.